A. C. Not cooling but outside unit's fan is spinning? Let's get that Texas heat under control fast. So, if your air conditioner's outside fan is running but your house is still roasting, first thing is to check the thermostat settings. Make sure it's set to cool and the temperature is lower than the current room temp. Next, look at the air filter. A dirty one blocks airflow and kills cooling power. Since you mentioned duct holes from rats, those leaks can let cold air escape and hot air sneak in, making your AC work overtime but still leaving your house hot. It's super important to seal those duct holes properly. Use metal tape or mastic sealant. Don't just patch with duct tape because that won't hold. Low refrigerant is another common cause because leaks mean your AC can't cool right. Only a licensed professional can safely find and recharge refrigerant, so don't try that yourself. Also, check the outdoor condenser coil for dirt and debris. Clean it gently if needed, because blocked coils reduce cooling efficiency. Lastly, if your ducts are damaged badly with rat droppings and urine, that's a health risk and needs professional cleanup and repair as soon as possible. Keeping your system well maintained and addressing these issues will get your home cool again without breaking the bank. One of the biggest mistakes with a C not cooling is ignoring duct leaks. Those holes waste energy and let in hot air, so get them sealed quickly. Another is trying to recharge refrigerant yourself or hiring unlicensed folks. It can be dangerous and illegal. Always go with certified pros who give you a written estimate. Lastly, skipping regular maintenance like filter changes and coil cleaning causes your system to fail when you need it most, so set reminders to keep things running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Contractors also find steady work through their platform, making it a win-win for everyone dealing with home repairs like sea troubles or duct fixes.